Yo, yo. Today we are off to Cars and Coffee. So, gotta get this beast ready. First gear up to 40, huh?
Yeah.
I got it to 60.
Hey?
I got it to 60. So kick you up. Let's go, let's go. Come on, dickhead. Room in this house, don't we, Aaron? Want me to go to work? You'll be right.
Fuck there, single pegger, cunt. Yeah, boys. Yeah, cunt. Fuck there. I'm coming.
Look at the Valiant. Doesn't even sound like it's on. It's a Valiant. Okay, have a look at the other cars now. Leave mine out on display with my Pop's Valiant. These cars look sick all together. Look at the dash. Gotta cut some vinyl wrap or something. What does it even look like? Are these manual or auto? Manual? Auto. I love VFs, man. How sick that is. Oh, that's clean too. Fucking Mazda 3, my favourite. These, man. This is a messy engine bay and a nice worked on one. No seatbelts. I love Monoras. Oh, look at this. What a rig. Fucking hell. What a unit. Oh, I love these rims, bro. Such sleeper rims. Bro, I love these rims. I don't know why. Ooh. Here's some of the new ones. New Monaras. Look at that. These are the new Monaras.
Lovely.
Manual. BY, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Manual too. These be worth a bit. I love hot rods. How sick that is. VT Clubby.
Oh, shit, just gorgeous.
Is it manual or auto? Auto. VT Clubby. SSV. This dude's on Instagram. This dude's on Instagram. The Church of Holden. I'm not gonna go have a look at these because I don't like Fords. LS3. Fuck this. That is huge, man. That's a 6.2 litre engine. What is it? Oh, it's auto. VF Series 2. Oh. Fuck there. LSA supercharged. Alright. Auto. Manual. Fuck yeah, that looks tough. Oh, it's a clubby too. Auto. The almighty Kia Carnival. You know who you are. Corvette. VT Clubby. Auto. That's sick. There's my car in a few looks. Fucking 5 people. Let's go. VE Thunder. Manual. Watch out. That's sick. SS Wagon. When do you ever see an SS Wagon? A Simmons. Sick car, man.
95.
360,000 Ks. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'll promise you. Oh, wait, 370 almost. Manual. Look at the interior and everything. Holy fuck. Jesus, so rough. That's sick. Venetians. Look at this fucking thing. That's nice as. Look at the interior, it's all red. That's a beautiful engine. thing is sick. Skyline. Good turnout. Definitely more last time though. Boy racer. It makes this look even lower.
Oh, okay.
Trying to sneak past.
Don't look at my ribs. Don't look at my fucking ribs. Pigs. Pigs. Fuck. That's lucky. Holy fuck. Where's the tyre, mate? It's just a rim. Oos. Oos.